that guy. Yep, me again. This time I'm in Shoreditch. Come out to have a little scout about, see what's going on in Shoreditch. People are coming out for their lunch. I'm out at lunchtime. And yeah, this is a vibrant part of London now. This has become the new go-to place. Work, food, eat, socialising. You know, there's a lot going on in Shoreditch. There's a lot happening. Clubs, working spaces. But yeah, so we'll have a little walk around and let's see what we can see. Sights and smells of all what's going on. People all out for their lunch. We're in a little bit of a circle square here. As you can see, everybody coming out of the offices trying to grab some lunch. Walking by, lots of art galleries and shops and stuff going on. There's a lot in all those different places. Yeah. Look at this building. Let's look at that. A couple of disused carriages up there, high up, top of these units. And across, there's a lot going on. They just, all these new high-rise buildings that have just been set up here. Activity. You've got these guys here, painters. See them all up there, doing a bit of artwork. Look at that. See? They're doing the artwork. How cool is that? Yeah? The guys are doing some painting. So you can see some of the celebrities they're painting up on the wall. It's everywhere, pretty much everywhere. All along the buildings. This is it.
Vehicles.
All these units. Remember, these are all made out of shipping containers. As you can see, shipping container units all stacked and all painted the same way. Same color, stacked on top. And it's become a bit of a permanent thing now. So you have a unit, barber shop, like candles. This one's doing Chinese. You know, so we're all different. Empty space. And you have it. There's like some artwork, as you can see. It's really cool. How cool is that? next door to that one, and then right up there, Soho House, I believe. Yeah. A lot going on around here. Let's have a look at some of the artwork. Sometimes it's nice to come off the main drag, go around the back and see what's going on around the back. Little smaller shops. It's nicer. It's always nice to come off the main drag. Pretty much anywhere you go, you always find something a little bit boutique-ish, you know, something different. Boutique shops. What is coffee shops?
Yeah, I mean, I think that's also what I like about them.
Oh, look at this. How lovely is this? These real old tiles. Beautiful. It's got that green, old look. See these tiles? All the colours in them.
But there's a thing you can.
It's a lovely building.
High class, man. High class.
Exactly, and just to stop doing the trains.
Hope you see a few things that might inspire you. Come down, have a look around. If you want, Liverpool Street train station straight at the end of the road underneath the bridge. Come out your house and have a look, see what you can see, have something to drink, have a lunch. And if you enjoyed this video, as usual, subscribe. And yeah, help me to create more content like this. Thank you.